Hello guys, Meta verified na po ako. Ayan, tignan nyo. Mayroon na akong blue badge. A verified badge now means an account has been verified with a valid ID and may not be well known. Meta verified offers enhanced verification, proactive account protection, direct customer support, and more. Tama yung sinasabi dito guys kasi pag Meta verified ka, nasasagot talaga sila sa mga katanungan ko. Kasi ako guys is ano na yung aking in-stream ads in process. So, kaya napa-meta verified ako kasi meron akong tanong not recommendable. So, ito nga, nagtanong ako sa kanila. Ayan, sandali Ito. Ito una kong tanong, bakit ako na recommendable? Ayan. Ang sabi kaya daw na chine-check daw yung ng team yung aking in-stream ads. Kaya as for the recommendation, it was due to the profile is currently being reviewed and we were doing some updates on your account. Once you already have the in-stream ads, you will have ads on Reels and licensed music. No worries. So, nasagot talaga sila guys. So, ito nga, kinonfirm ko pa siya kasi sabi ko, okay, the reasons why I'm not recommendable last 2 days is because of my profile is being reviewed for stream ads. Am I right? Yes, glad that you understand. So, yun pala yung reason. Akala ko kasi nagkaroon na ako ng violation. Nag-erase pa ako ng ibang reels ko at ibang mga post ko. Kasi nga, akala ko bawal yun. So, malinaw sa akin na kaya pala ako naging profile not recommendable because of Meta is reviewing my in-stream ads. Okay? Thank you, Meta. So, maganda guys kung malapit na kayo ma-monetize, mag-Meta verified kayo kasi mas mas madaling masagot ang mga katanungan natin. Kasi sa support inbox do sa report a problem, ang hirap, ang tagal. Hindi sila nagre-response. Dito naman nagre-response sila. Yun yung kagandahan na ikaw ay Meta verified. Okay? Salamat!